Boys and girls, Matt from the Real Toy Shop. And here we've got something really special, really. It's a Harley-Davidson Pro Street CVO Breakout. Yep, wild as they come. 2016-66. Paint job is just out of this world, as you'd expect from a CVO bike. Guess the mileage. She's not brand new. She's stunning, but she isn't brand new. We'll have a look round it, see what you think. And then, of course, we're going to fire it up, and you're going to get to hear these blow straight through pipes. It's a stunning bike. We've got Kellerman style rear, tiny little backlights and indicators. But look at the paint. It's glistening in here. We've got that beautiful sort of bronzy gold wrap around. Everything's in black. We've got the brilliant race look lines there dropping down the top. Screamin Eagle plug leads. Yeah, it's nice. This one just has a couple of little bits, but you'd expect it. She's 10-year-old now, and she's done. Ooh, we'll reveal that when we fire her up. How many miles? There's me, look, that's the reflection. Looking down at that paintwork, again, absolutely stunning. Got that little nose, bikini nose fairing on there. That looks great as well. Tyres are good. Twin discs on the front, and then it's got its own wheels for the Pro Street Breakout as well. It has its own set of wheels. We've got like a belly pan there down the bottom, and there's just a couple of little furry bolts. But the bike's been used as it should do, and it's got a party trick. Yes, it has. Yeah, it's got a hell of a party trick. Yeah, and we'll show you that working because it's got air suspension. How low do you like your CVO? Well, in a minute, we'll show you that work. When we fire it up and you hear the bike, and you're going to be astounded. It's a proper thing. If you want to get down a quarter mile quick, this is the way to go. So fins and everything are looking nice. We've just got a couple of little bubbles on the edge of the rockers there. I don't know if camera picks them up, but they're there. It's all sort of Harley-Davidson stuff, but you're getting the proper thing, the paintwork and everything on the bike. Why is this camera not following me around? The paintwork on the bike and everything, just what you want. Huge, huge, huge Avon chrome rear tyre there. I'm just looking to see the size on that. It's huge. 240 18 rear end. So it's big. We've got the tail tidy on there, which just neatens it up. We've just got that number plate hanging out the bottom there. And those little tiny back lights. Belt drive, obviously. And that's all good. It's just, oh, it's a weapon. That isn't just a random wire hanging out. That is the battery tender connection. Simple controls, rev counter in the middle there. Wicked thing, absolutely wicked. Anyone would be proud to go up the road on this and blast everything else into the weeds. So if that's your thing, here it is. Here at the Real Toy Shop, we've got it. We've got loads of videos of bikes starting and walk rounds and stuff like that. So get on, have a look, see what we've got. If you want to hear this exhaust, stick with us, because any minute now we're going to fire it up. Big 110 Screamin Eagle motor in the CVO Pro Street Breakout. So, what can we do for you on the bike? Let's get that out of the way first. Well, if you've got a part exchange or something like that, you need to be popping here to this place. That's us. Part exchange form, spookily marked up, PX. Get that filled in. We'll come back to you with a price as quick as we can. Not always immediate, guys. I'm out on the road delivering and stuff like that. So as quick as I can, I'll get back to you. And so that's the part X out of the way. Then same number, which I've should have just shown you again. Should have told you at the same time, would have been easier. If you're going to need some monthly payments, focus. Need some monthly payments, that's the number you need to call us on. Give us a ring, we need to talk to you about that. We can organise that for you, no problem at all. So, that's that side out of the way. Then we'll get to delivery. If you want this bike delivering anywhere in the country, we'll do that for absolutely nothing. That's mainland UK, Ireland, no problem meeting at either of the ferries. Or we've got a courier who comes over once a week and he's spot on for that. So talk to us. Everything is with the bike, and yeah, it's proper. If you see that real toy shop crafter about, because it'll be me delivering, yes, my happy smiling face. If you're not sick of my voice by then, you'll see me, unless you're at a far-flung place where we shall send a courier, dedicated motorcycle courier. Doesn't mean you can't come and look at the bike. We wish you would. Come and see it. It's always better, but we understand some people are a long way away and can't get to us. So in that case, that's black. That was chrome on there. It's like a black chrome. If you can't get to us, use this as your receipt. There will be little nuts and bolts. I'm telling you now, there's little nuts and bolts on this that are a little bit furry, but not bad. Nothing's going to disgrace you, but it's there. People now, we seem to be finding in this world, everyone wants a new bike for a third of the price. Can't quite happen. But come and see us. We'd love to see you with a cup of tea. Wouldn't we? Of course we would. Look at that. Yeah, it's making me want it now. So that's all the normal stuff out the way. Now you want to hear it. See the mileage. Well, before we hear it, have you got permission? Ha, yeah, if your mother, brother, dad or lover, or your missus, ask your missus first before you come and see us. Talk to us, whatever, make sure you got permission, or just grow a pair and buy the damn thing. That's what we got to do in this day and age. Right, noise time. Let's make a noise. Oh, yes. And yes, she's warm, of course she's warm. These things are wicked. Look how bright those backlights are. They're absolutely incredible. Probably don't show up on the camera, but they are so flipping bright. And then of course, they're your indicators as well. And again on the other side, come round. And there's your other one. ABS, why is that flashing, Matt? Well, we haven't done 5 miles an hour or so many revs. And the mileage, 16,581. Not running, but definitely used. So, no new bikes for the price that they come at. These things are an absolute flipping fortune. And it's wonderful. But, if you're an absolute fusspot, well, you know what you like. Right, so, now, demo of the air suspension. Under here, one is fast down, slow up, one is slow down, fast up. Yeah, I'm going to bring it over to this side just to make my life feel safer. And then we're going to show you this drop down on the back. So how low do you like CVO? I like it low. There you go. Down she comes. Right down on the deck. So, let's have a look at it now she's down. LED headlight there. Look at that. How cool does that look? God knows what air suspension cost to fit. I'm thinking an absolute flipping fortune. I don't know about you. If you don't like your neighbours, do one of two things. Either buy this bike or don't buy this bike. But either way, if you don't like your neighbours, this is going to do nothing to improve anything. I just love the sound of that thing. So that's your bike. It's got me a bit speechless, to be honest, and listening to that. That's your bike. 66 plate, so that's September 16 to March 17. All the details will be dropped down below in the description or on the website, of course, when we put it up for sale. Look at her, slammed on the floor there. Matt, I need it in my shed. Well, you should. I'm coming down here to make it look better. You should. What are you going to do? Well, number one, if you've got a Part X, get that Part X form filled in. Then I know what you've got, boat, donkey, carrot, whatever. Number two, if you need monthly payment, speak to one of us in the office and we'll get that sorted out. Number three, just get it paid for. Let's get it in a van and get it to you as quick as we can. Pro Street Breakouts, you don't see them. Not CVO ones, you just don't see them. Not often anyway. And if you want this one in your shed, get it done. As I said to you before, loads of videos, go watch some more, give us a thumbs up, give us a little like and subscribe, helps us out a lot, guys. YouTube thinks you probably like that video based on your own choices. This here playlist where I'm goofing about on something, and that's a subscribe. Get off the telly and get on your mobile phone and just take 2 seconds to subscribe and like. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one. I'm not sure what the next bike is. I think it's something really, really special. Yeah, really special. So stick with us here at the Real Toy Shop. See you on the next one.